Uh, Welcome to this little crash course on artificial intelligence. Now, AI has been mentioned across a very, very wide board, and people have been, there has been an AI phase, like it's the new buzzword in town, right? Okay, it's been a buzzword for a while, but you know what I mean, right? So in this small introduction, I would like to tell you how to actually make AI and automations work for you. So at CyberSafe Solutions, which is the company that I work for, founded, and besides the point, is to help you at least be able to access AI in a more efficient way, a cheap way, so that you can at least uh, get a few things here and there, right? So as you can see here, I have my Olama search. So Olama is an open source AI tool whereby you can see it's on GitHub. The models that the ones that you need to use. So these are the models. So if you need vision models, you just click there. These are the ones that help in sorry, yes. So as you can see, these ones are more leaned towards for vision language understanding, so on and so forth. If you need it for tools, okay, Llama 4 meta latest collection of multimodal models. So these are the two. So you can get AI tools that are trained to do specific things, right? And because you can see, some were updated 5 months ago, 6 months ago, 2 months ago. So if you are headed towards this, if you'd like this, so you just go and check the ones that is regularly updated, right? And you can actually pull. So once you have an Olama, you just write from your terminal. Let me see whether I can access my terminal here. Hope you can see it. You can write, so you can run. Let me see. Olama help. Okay, it's not supposed to be this difficult on the first day, but I might explain later. So if you need a model, if you need a model here, let's say for example you need this Llama 3.2. Let's go with Mistral, right? So you just come here and on your terminal, then write Olama pool. Sorry, not pill. Pool Mistral. Then you can see it is pulling manifests. It will update, it will download the, as you can see, it's 4.4 GB. So these are large models, trained models that can help you do all that. So apart from that, as it pulls, then from that you need an interface where, because you necessarily don't need to be running your artificial intelligence from here, your AI from here, right? You don't need it running from here. So what do? You just come to this other side. There is something known as open web UI. So this is what creates an interface. You can see it looks like the interface whereby you, all the other AI tools where you have. But the good thing with this is that you can add your model. See the one that we've just added, you just add it here. And the other thing that sorry, the other thing that we are going to maybe talk about and maybe have is this. Now, this is the best for automation, right? So as you can see here, you have, so this is automation. This is an automation diagram, for lack of a better word, right? So it is connected to each and everything, and this is an AI personal assistant. So once you start from here, once you trigger it from here, once you start the chat, or maybe once you give it a webhook, or maybe you chat it from WhatsApp, it starts here, goes through the processes. Let me zoom in for you. You can see here. So this is a OpenAI model, and as you can see here, let me see whether I can get this. Yes, your job is to analyze message. So this is what the AI is directed to do, right? So this is how you direct it. From there, let's go back to Canvas. It goes to this. So is the message to get email, to send mail, to get calendar. Uh, is now you check. You need to check the time, so on and so forth. Then you continue. Now this is another model here. We'll talk about this, don't worry. We'll later expand into this. So your job is to look for a message, at the message and determine what the name, task, and everything. Then from there it continues. So building all this to alleviate you from having to do redundant tasks is what is actually meant, or what an AI assistant is supposed to do. Because an AI assistant basically is to check for your calendars, to book meetings, to maybe write customized messages for each and everyone, so on and so forth. Okay, so that's basically it. So AI can be used for a wide variety of things, and at CyberSafe Solutions, this is what we specialize in. Apart from cybersecurity, where we come in, we check, we log into your, sorry, not log in. We come, do an audit of your systems, do everything, check to see whether your systems are up and running correctly, where there are any loopholes in the system. That is cybersecurity part. But for the automations part, this is it. So, and you can actually create a lot more. Leave without saving. So as you can see, all this customer support, AI personal assistant, social media tool, a phone call tool, and these ones were created long time ago. So let's see, right? So yeah, you start from a point here. Telegram APIs, everything you connect. Vector database, sorry, this is a vector storage. Then you proceed from there. So AI is very wide, and you can use it for a very huge variety of things. And with that being said, this is what it's supposed to be used for. So I don't think our is done here. You can see it's 29%. So we are already pulling this AI manifest. So basically, AI, what AI is supposed to do is supposed to help you in tasks. And if it's, let's say, for example, trained for specific things, let's see whether we can find models for finance, right? You can see performance leading to models, such things. Okay, even if they were updated 1 year ago, this one is updated 1 week ago. So if I was to take, I would take this, even if it has 8 pools. AI, you can use it for, so it is already trained for finance. You can do it, you can do with it whatever it is that you desire. And with that, thank you for staying with me until this particular time. If you need any automations, maybe we can do some automations here as we proceed, and maybe some cybersecurity things as we proceed also. And with that, allow me to call it a day. Bye.